Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable start workout reminder on the Apple Watch 7. So first let's go back to the home screen by pressing on the crown button on the side. Okay, so press on it twice to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, tap on settings. In settings, we want to go down, all the way down, and tap on workout. In here, go down and tap on start workout reminder switch to turn it on or turn it off. Okay, when this settings is switched on, Apple Watch will remind you to start a workout if you are running, walking, swimming, cycling, or on the elliptical or on the rower. So if you already start a workout but you're not actually doing the workout, Apple Watch will detect that you're not doing anything, so it will remind you. And that's it. So that's how you can turn it on or off for your Apple Watch 7. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.